Hi everyone, today I'm going to do an unboxing video on this new bag that I got. The packaging feels pretty sturdy. The dust bag is made out of a very thick cotton material and it feels pretty luxurious. The hardware opens pretty smoothly and the leather feels pretty soft. And it's only got one inner pocket, which is like a size of a card holder. Now I'm going to show you guys what's gonna fit inside. Here's an overall look. First, I have my key pouch with my car key and also my house key and a key fob for work. And I also have my mailbox key. And then it's my wallet slash card holder. I only have 5 cards in total and some cash and coins. This is a Coach men's wallet. Because I'm recording with my phone, so I'm putting a phone case to pretend that it's my phone. I have also my mask and some mints. This is my makeup pouch. As you can see, Little Twin Star is my favorite character. And a lipstick. It's like a nude rose color. The lip balm. This is a Can Make blotting powder with a small mirror, so it's easy for me to blot. And a concealer. Eye drops. This is when I'm wearing contacts. And some female products. This is just alcohol spray that I put in a Clinique spray bottle. So it's easier for me to carry it around. And I have this box that just carries all the miscellaneous small items like my painkiller, floss, and Band-Aid. And that's all in my makeup pouch. Here's an overall look of all the items. Here is another closer look to this bag. Thank you everyone for watching.